Welcome to the Lasting Beauty Rewards tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to register new patients, award points, and redeem coupons. So let's get started. First, you're going to log into your B2B portal on Color Science. You'll simply type in your credentials and sign in. Once the home screen pops up, you will notice there is an LBR tab up at the top, your third option. You're going to click here to start the LBR process. I would click on LBR Home. First, we're going to share how to register a new patient, and there's a few different ways that you can do this. You can register them right in your office at checkout, or you can print a PDF if you're having an event or you are having your estheticians mark off what they will be purchasing in the treatment room and print these out so that you can enter them in at a later date. Or a later time. So I'm just going to click here so you can visually see what that looks like. So you can simply print this out, fill out the information, and have someone help log those transactions later. All right, another way that you can register a new patient is just click register. From here, there's a list of questions that you'll need to ask your patient to sign them up for Lasting Beauty Rewards. Or you can have them scan our very convenient QR code, which takes them to a registering Lasting Beauty Rewards account page where they can sign up while they're in the waiting room or in their patient room waiting to have a service done. So it makes it very easy for you. It's very turnkey. So this is another way that they can sign up for the program. So I'm going to walk you through an example of registering a member in person. So I'm going to use my name as an example, and we'll go through what you need to ask. So they'll ask for first name, last name, email address, their postal code, birth date and month, their mobile number, and this is simply for differentiating different patients. So you could have someone that has the same name or a very close email address when you're searching for a patient. So this just helps as that added layer of security and also being able to tell the difference between LBR members. So we're going to type in quick number here. And last step is to search your location. So we will already have a Lasting Beauty Rewards login from your B2B portal, but if you're a practice that has multiple locations, it's important to choose which city you're located in or what location you are so that that patient is tied to your practice. You can also put the name of who is adding the member. So this will pop up later. And that is how you create an account. So once your Lasting Beauty Rewards member has been registered, you can go in and start logging transactions for their Color Science purchases. And to do that, you'll go back to the same screen. So LBR Home, you'll find yourself here. And then you are going to search either email or phone number. In this case, I'm going to search just a test account that we've created to walk you through. And hit search. The system will find if it's an exact match, it'll populate all the information on that specific patient of yours. And you can see here that we have a patient profile bar at the top that gives you quite a bit of information. It'll give you their first name, most of their email address. You'll see here when they registered for the account, how many current points they have available in their system, and when their points expire. Another great call out here is you can actually look at their last up to 5 recent orders in your practice. So this was great if your patient has purchased something in the past, or like, oh, do you remember what shade I purchased, or what was the product I had last time? You're able to view that very quickly here, or possibly recommend and ask, do they need a replacement of Total Eye Firm and Repair Cream or Pep Up that they had purchased last? So that is here in this drop down. You can also see the current point balance. So this patient has 8,380 points. We've added a convenient points guide here so that you're easily able to tell your patient how many points they have and if they have any coupons that they're able to redeem. So you can see this patient has over 8,000, so they have up to $50 coupon that they can use towards this purchase of Color Science. All right, so again, you'll need to start by choosing your location. And then there are two different ways that you can look up products. So you can either type in the search bar here, and I'm going to look up Pep-Up. Pep-Up will show. You'll be able to click it, and it'll simply add it to your cart. Another way that you can look for product is by browsing. So it'll pull up all the different categories of products. You can look at top products, you can look at all products, and then we break it down by different categories: treatments, enhancements, foundations. So let's go to the treatment category, and let's say this patient would like to replenish their total eyes. So from here, you're going to add their shade, and you can see that one product has been added. Fantastic. So you can keep going and adding more products. So we'll also we'll add an all-com multi-correction serum. Now you can see that 2 products have been added to the cart. And let's say they would like to also purchase a lip shine. So we'll go to enhancements. We'll find lip shine, select their shade. And we've got 3 products, and then you're done. So you want to click add 3 products. And all 3 products will be added to their transaction in Lasting Beauty Rewards. It also points out how many points will be awarded per product. All right, so now we're going to hit next to show you how to redeem a coupon. So once you've picked all of your products, if they do not have enough point balance to redeem for a coupon, you can simply skip to the next step. But we know that this patient does. They have 8,380 points. So we're going to exchange points for a coupon. This box will pop up, and it'll show you only however many coupons that they have based on the point value. So say this patient only had 3,000 points, only the $10 and $20 coupons would appear. So we're going to say this patient would like to redeem for $30 in-office coupon. So you just hit next. It'll bring you to a confirmation page where it's going to show you the breakdown, the 4 products that they're purchasing. It'll subtract the $30 coupon, and it'll show you your remaining balance and the points that will be awarded to that patient for the purchase. And again, you can add the staff member who logged the transaction. This is a great way to show if you run a contest in your office to see how many staff members are recommending products or checking them out at checkout. It's also a great way to just look back at transactions if there was any need to look back. So once you've added your staff member who's logged this transaction, you simply click confirm. And this will bring you to a success page where it'll share that the transaction has been logged. The points will be available in your patient's account 24 to 48 hours after the transaction. And you've successfully completed that person's Color Science purchase. All right, another few items that I want to point out on our Lasting Beauty Rewards program is we have reporting that you have available to you, and you can click right to LBR and LBR reporting. And I have this already to go with our test account, and just wanted to run through some of the metrics that we give you to really leverage Lasting Beauty Rewards to its fullest. So you can look at recent activity, what your year-to-date sales are with Color Science, how many registrations that you've had per month. Also, it'll show you coupons used and the LBR purchases in that last month. So this is kind of your first glance screenshot to see how your Lasting Beauty Rewards is performing. You also have a tab that'll show you your top products that are being purchased from Color Science. Your marketing opportunity tab has all of your in-office purchases and coupon redemptions. And you're able to download this whole report by hitting Explore Actions and downloading the report. You can do that on any of these metrics if you want to see that in an Excel file. It will also show you your most valuable customers. So those that are purchasing their net revenue, coupons they're using, etc. And then also there's a redeemable points tab, which is fantastic. You can reach out to your patients who have coupons available, so letting them know if they have a time to replenish their Color Science product, that they do have the added value of a coupon that they've earned using Lasting Beauty Rewards. And then this tab will show you how many Finishing Touch protocol points that you may have issued for applying in your treatment rooms, and then also your partner commissions tab. So it will show you the commission that you have earned on Lasting Beauty Rewards, either on colorscience.com or by using your practice pages. So we do offer pretty extensive reporting for you to use and leverage to just enhance and elevate your business. And lastly, I would love to show you your account overview so that you can see how your Lasting Beauty Rewards coupons redeem is impacting your business. So the coupons that are used are going to be added to a credit on your account so that you can use towards your next wholesale order. So to find this, you'll click on Sales and My Account Overview. And I have it populated here. So you can see this is our test account, but it'll show you your general credit. So this is credit earned from coupon redemptions also, so you can hit the tab down and it'll show you the breakdown, your LBR coupons, and then also any LBR web purchases. So your patients who are signing up for Lasting Beauty Rewards are affiliated with your account. So if they went on to colorscience.com and logged into their Lasting Beauty Rewards to earn points, we give you commission on those purchases, and we give that in a form of a credit to use towards your next wholesale order with Color Science. We also reward your staff. So 2% of all transactions go back to your staff, so they are able to use that on their staff ordering form as a credit for them to have gratis Color Science product. All right. Thank you so much for listening to the Lasting Beauty Rewards tutorial. Please reach out to your Color Science crew team member with any further questions, and we're always happy to help and support you. Thank you.